So these are the first real-life images of the most anticipated Galaxy flagship of recent times, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, courtesy of Front Page Takes John Prosser. The first Galaxy S22 Ultra renders showed us the biggest thing we wanted to know, the Note design. But the concept had a P-shaped camera bump, which most of us didn't really like. Then recently, Let's Go Digital published some great looking renders, which is almost identical to the real life photos. Like it or not, the water drop camera module design is final. Now it is not as great looking as the recent camera bumps of the recent Galaxy devices, but on the other hand, it also makes the phone much more fresh looking than anything else. Now on top of everything else, the phone is a little too thick, so definitely it doesn't need the camera bump. Same like the renders, we can see there is still a slightly curved display at the front, which makes it look identical to the last Galaxy Note device from Samsung. With all those leaked photos, it's also clear that it will have the same classy and boxy Galaxy Note design language. Now with all that Galaxy Note DNA inside, the phone will also come with built-in S Pen stylus at the bottom. We can also see that in this photo. This is one of the major reasons why many of us were calling this the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. But for now, we heard that the Galaxy S22 Ultra is the final name. Now let's talk about the specs. The phone will feature 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display with variable refresh rate support at up to 120Hz. The phone will also feature the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner on the display, like most Galaxy flagships nowadays. And as for the cameras, it will come with a 108-megapixel main camera, the ISOCELL HM3 one, 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto zoom camera, and another 10-megapixel 10x periscope zoom camera at the rear. A 5000 mAh battery will be powering the device, which will also support 45-watt fast charging. And as for the chipset, it will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 in the markets like US and China, while the international variant will be powered by the Exynos 2200 chipset with AMD GPU inside. That's also a crazy thing. Now as for the real dates that you want to know. Now John already has leaked the launch date of the Galaxy S21 FE, which is 11th of January next year. Now he has leaked also the pre-order date and the launch date of the Galaxy S22 series, which looks like this. The pre-order date is 8th of February and the launch date is 10 days later, 18th of February. So that means the Samsung is going back to the Galaxy S 10 days when it comes to the launching flagship Galaxy S models. That's kind of good. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.